Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have my final Halloween themed video for this October. Hopefully you've enjoyed the rest of them, and hopefully you've watched them. If you haven't, then head over to the channel and go watch them, because I had a lot of crazy fun.
Good luck sleeping tonight.
But anyway, in today's video, I thought we would finish kind of the Halloween October off by transforming into a zombie version of the Mona Lisa. And you're probably asking yourself, why? Well, if you've been a part of the channel for a while, you'll know several months ago I transformed myself into Vincent van Gogh, and it turned out to be quite terrifying. And yes, that's acrylic paint in my hair. It wasn't a good idea. But if you missed that video, I'll leave a link down below in the description so you can go have a watch of that if you want to. I wasn't intentionally trying to make it scary, it just turned out that way. So I thought I would really go for a horror themed Mona Lisa in today's transformation look. And I am by no means a beauty guru yet. So if my technique is shit throughout the entire video, keep your thoughts to yourself, okay? I also saw a couple of Mona Lisa Halloween outfits on Amazon, and quite frankly, they were shite. They were not scary, and they weren't particularly great, and I think I can do a better job. So I'll grab my supplies, and then we can start the transformation. Right, I've got my little mirror here, like a professional. And the first thing I want to do is glue down my eyebrows, because looking at the picture of the Mona Lisa, I thought she had quite thin eyebrows, but they almost look non-existent. I think there's like a slither. So I need to get rid of these bushy things. And I have seen drag queens do it before, but I've never done it myself, so I'll probably lose all my brows. And I know they do this to kind of create a flat surface to work with. So that's my goal. And I've seen them kind of like comb it through. I think I might need a couple of coats like. Looking good so far. Right, I'm gonna need to dry this, and I think I need maybe like 1 or 2 extra coats of glue. Really flatten these down. It burns my eyes. Right, I'll meet you back once I've got these eyebrows sorted, and we move on to the next step. Right, okay, that's done, and I think I look very surprised. It's also quite lumpy. I don't know how they get it very smooth, so hopefully that won't affect the finished look. I just can't even take myself seriously. Right, okay, so I did buy a wig for this transformation as well, so I thought the best thing to do would be to put the wig cap on, and then I can kind of start doing the face paint and the makeup. Well, this is a good look. It just made my giant ears look even bigger. Don't know how this is gonna work. Right, I think the next step I want to do is cover these eyebrows with some full coverage concealer apparently, and it's just this one. If you want to know what it is. I don't even know whether it's got a name. It was cheap and it was off Amazon. I think I've put too much on. And that glue stuff didn't really hide my eyebrows. I can still see them. I don't know whether this is going to affect the foundation though, because I bought white foundation, so we'll soon see. So now I think I just want to foundation my entire face. And if you want to know what it is, it's called white foundation. And I know the Mona Lisa isn't this white, but she's gonna be a zombie, okay? She's dead. Yeah, that concealer's definitely changing the colour of it up at the top, but that's okay. Thing is, I think if someone was just watching this video, like right now, at this second, I think they would take me seriously. They would think this person is giving me a proper makeup tutorial. Definitely. I'm not going to bring you in for, like, a close-up, because you'll just see all the flaws, and I don't want you to see all the flaws. I'm not a professional, okay? I'm just gonna go clean my palette, and then we'll move on to the next step. I feel like I look like Mrs. Doubtfire. Hello! Right, I think the next step, I want to darken around my eyes, I want to darken my mouth, and I want to do some contouring. Yes, we're gonna do some contour. Well, I'm gonna try, okay? I'm really gonna try. Let's not get carried away. Right, I have this stuff and I'm not entirely sure what it is. I don't know whether it's eyeshadow It's Maybelline Colour Tattoo 24 hours. I don't want it on my face for 24 hours. It's a cream eyeshadow. That should be fine. It's fine if it's grey, which is a good job. I think I've put too much of that foundation on. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going for. Because she's obviously dead, so she's going to have sunken eyes and whatnot. And it's actually looking quite painterly. It's not what I was intentionally going for, but I'm not mad at it. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing here. I don't know, but I've started it.
Oh, sharp. I'm gonna cut ya.
I know you're supposed to blend stuff out, but I don't really care. Yeah, I bought a black lipstick as well, again off Amazon, and it was very, very cheap, but I think it's really crap. There's not like a lot of pigment, it's pretty naff. I'll tell you what it is so you don't buy it. Laval Black. Oh, it's made in England. No wonder it's shite. I'll just use some more of this eye stuff. Now I need to do eyebrows. I need to wipe this off my fingers. And I think I want them above here. Oh, that foundation's cracking off. What happened to my face? I don't think this is gonna work. It's just scratching the foundation off. Right, I'll have to use some more of this eyeshadow stuff for the eyebrows. I don't think they look like that. What I'm gonna try and do, actually, I'll bring it further up and then it won't look as weird, I don't think. Does that look worse? There's a drag queen called Licorice Black, and she does some amazing black and white makeup, but it's harder than you think. Right, this is what we're working with so far, but I'm gonna add some blood and guts hanging out my mouth, and I think that'll make it look good, and we've also got a wig. Right, so I've got some liquid latex, which is for your face apparently. I'm only used to mold making latex, so this will be interesting. And I've just got some fake blood, and I'm just going to mix it together, create a paste, and then use some paper towel and just kind of go bloody and crazy with it. I'm sure this is just normal latex. It smells exactly the same of fish. That didn't really have the desired effect, it's turned it pink. But we'll work with it, I'll add some more blood later. It's not working. I was gonna use, I don't know whether to use this latex, I don't know whether it's gonna work. Right, I don't think that liquid latex situation is gonna happen. For some reason I thought it would stick on my face really easy, and it just doesn't. So I think I'm just gonna paint some normal fake blood on. I think that'll still look good. And I've still got my beard under there as well, so it's giving it kind of like a chunk. Oh, that looks good. That looks so much better. Right, now that that's done, I think it's time to wig up and we can have our full reveal.
Hi.
Right. Do I look like the Mona Lisa? Be honest. I created this painting, and the only thing I'm having an issue with is the fact that my hair's black. You can't see the hair. But I have a wig on. I'm gonna get rid of this frame. It's shite. And yes, this wig was the cheapest wig I could buy on Amazon. That's why it's awful. It's just in my face. It's so annoying. Ugh. Right, so I'll do a side-by-side of me and the real Mona Lisa. Do you think it's good? Do I look like her? Please say yes. But since I've got the wig on, I think it's only fair I do a little montage for you because I'm feeling that kind of way.
So enjoy.
That's in my mouth. In my mouth, I hate it. I hate it so much. Oh. But yeah, I was expecting this to go a little bit better than it has. I just think I look like a crazy person. I think I look absolutely nuts. But anyway, hopefully you enjoyed it. I think I'm going to go out and about and terrorise the neighbourhood. But I definitely don't think I'll be coming for any of the beauty gurus' jobs at all. Like, ever. But leave a comment down below if you're going to praise this look. If you're not going to praise this look, then I just don't want to hear it. Do not leave a comment. Maybe I could give her like a 90s side ponytail or something. Give her a bit more attitude. Yeah? No? But anyway, I think I'm gonna go and get a shower because I do not understand how people wear makeup. It is awful. My face feels horrible. But let me know down in the comments below what you're dressing up for this Halloween and whether I've inspired you to become a zombie Mona Lisa. You can follow my tutorial, I don't mind. That's what it's there for. for helpful information. But that does it for today's video, and it does it for Halloween this year on my channel. I hope you have enjoyed October. I've had tons and tons of fun. I've really enjoyed myself. But I think in true fashion, I am now gonna go and have a bite to eat, of course. So I'll see you next week for a brand new video. Bye! Well, I'm stuffed.